Which major social media platform was originally named Bourbon? TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest. The correct answer is Instagram. In Star Wars, what is the weapon used by Jedi Knights? Photon gun, light sword, lightsaber, plasma blade. The correct answer is lightsaber. Encephalitis refers to inflammation of which organ? Liver, lungs, brain, kidneys. The correct answer is brain. What does the T in NATO stand for? Treaty, team, trust, territory. The correct answer is treaty. Which country hosted the massive 2016 Summer Olympic Games? United Kingdom, Brazil, Japan, China. The correct answer is Brazil. Which insect holds the record for the fastest flight speed? Bee, wasp, dragonfly, hornet. The correct answer is dragonfly. In which famous landmark was Nemo born in the movie Finding Nemo? The Great Barrier Reef, Sydney Harbour, the Coral Triangle, the Red Sea. The correct answer is the Great Barrier Reef. Which language is famously known as the language of love? Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese. The correct answer is French. Nestled on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, this city is known for its stunning coastline, ancient forts, and vibrant souks. What is the capital of Oman? Beirut, Muscat, Cairo, Prague. The correct answer is Muscat. What chemical element sits right at the very beginning of the periodic table with an atomic number of 1? Helium, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Which country is world famous for serving small dishes called tapas? Portugal, Spain, Italy, Greece. The correct answer is Spain. Which organ can regenerate tissue after major damage? Heart, kidneys, liver, spleen. The correct answer is liver. The funny bone is actually part of which structure? Nerve, muscle, bone, tendon. The correct answer is nerve. Who was the director behind the blockbuster shark movie Jaws? James Cameron, George Lucas, Steven Spielberg, Ridley Scott. The correct answer is Steven Spielberg. What was the name of the treaty that Benjamin Franklin helped negotiate to end the American Revolution? Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the Treaty of Paris, Paris Peace Treaties, Fourth Geneva Convention. The correct answer is the Treaty of Paris.